How to screen record on iPhone. Well, it's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get into the video. So what you want to do is, you have to swipe down the screen. Tons of different icons and options will be visible to you. But what you want to do is, you have to click on this record button icon. This interface will pop up on your screen. While screen recording, if you want to turn on the microphone, then simply click on this icon, microphone. Once you click on it, it will be turned on. So once you click on this red button, it will start to record your screen. Once the screen starts to record, move ahead to any of the application or the web browser that you would like to record on your phone. Once you are done recording the screen, now if you want to stop, then what you want to do is, once again swipe down the screen and then click on the red button that you have clicked before. After that, the screen will stop to record and the video will be saved into your gallery and you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can screen record on iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.